I'm going to show you how to transform your old jeans from basic, boring, into this. Insert picture. All right, so to get that slit on the side, what you're going to want to do is turn your jeans inside out. Find the outer hem on both sides, and that's what we're going to be cutting open. Finding the outer hem here, you are going to take a ruler. Take a ruler and measure 4 centimeters from the middle of the hem to the right side and from the middle of the hem to the left side. So as you see here, I'm measuring 4 centimeters right now. I'm going to take a marker or a pen, anything, a pencil works too. I'm just going to mark 4 centimeters from the one side to the middle of the hem and do the same on the other side. This is going to be the base for a triangle shape that's going to be the split in our jeans. So I'm drawing my lines pretty bold so that it's going to be easier for me to follow with my scissors when I'm going to cut later. So I've drawn my 4 centimeter markings on each side of the hem. And now I'm going to grab the ruler alongside the middle of the hem and I'm going to measure 10 centimeters upwards. And I'm going to mark that. And now I'm going to connect the 4 centimeter mark on the bottom of the hem to the top where I made my 10 centimeter mark. And I'm going to draw a line straight up and connect those two. So now I'm just going to draw my line upwards. And then I'm going to repeat the same on the other side. So it's going to look like a triangle when I'm done marking. So there you can see I have a half a triangle there from the bottom line to the 10 centimeter mark up there. And I'm going to repeat and do the exact same thing on the other side. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to grab a pair of sharp scissors that can cut through fabric, because if you have blunt scissors, this is just going to be tiring. So I made my triangle. Now I'm going to grab my scissors and follow what I've done and just cut it. You can also cut the middle of the hem just to make it a little easier to cut. That's what I started to do, to just open the hem first. And then I'm just going to continue and follow the triangle shape I made and cut as precise as I possibly can. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. So now that I've cut the pants, as you can see, the edges of where we cut can unravel pretty easily. So this is optional, you do not have to, but you can use a sewing machine if you have one to just go through and sew alongside those sides we just cut with the scissors, just to make sure that it doesn't unravel. But this is, as said, an optional step. So I'm just going to change my machine and put it on the zigzag setting, just to make sure that it's extra tight. And after that, I'm going to be sewing downwards and making sure I don't double it, so it's just the outside of that one. So I'm going to do that on both sides of the jeans, just to make sure it doesn't unravel. So I'm just going to continue to sew on the outer sides just so the hems don't unravel. I'm doing this on both sides of my jeans. So I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask in the comment section below and I will answer it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and are ready to use your new jeans. Thank you.